It's nice to see you and welcome to Grade 9 Hall.
We're going to talk about what we call the potential energy and the kinetic energy. So when we say potential energy, ano ba yan? Ano din daw ang kinetic energy? So I'm going to show you 4 pictures and you're going to identify if it is potential or kinetic energy. So I'm going to show you first a video that would give you a hint. Ano daw ba ang potential energy? So let me just play this one and just please listen and observe. So listen, look, and listen and learn.
Hello friends, today we're learning about potential and kinetic energy. Very good. You're riding your bicycle in the park. You need energy to ride the bicycle, walk, run, or do any work, which is why the ability to do any work is called energy. It cannot be created or destroyed, but it can be altered. Whenever you store or use energy, you deal with potential energy or kinetic energy. Potential and kinetic energy are two forms of energy that can be transformed into each other. Let's learn about it.
We have the potential energy and kinetic energy. So that is the two major form of our energy na madalas daw natin nakikita kahit saan tayo pumunta. Okay, unahin po natin, let us have what we call the potential energy. So kailan lang daw tayo nagkakaroon ng potential energy? So example daw natin, a stationary pipe on top of the hill has stored energy called potential. Bakit nagkaroon ng potential energy yung ating bike na nasa taas ng hill? Okay, nakatigil. Ibig sabihin, pag nakatigil daw ang object, it has a stored energy at rest. Nasa position. Ano? Depende sa position. Dapat daw yan ang position natin. Dapat ba yung nasa taas, nasa baba? Okay, madalas, ang position ng ating potential ay okay, so dapat tayo ay nasa itaas. So that is potential. At kailan naman tayo nagkakaroon ng kinetic energy? Okay, pag bumababa na yung ating object. Okay, ibig sabihin, wala. So sabi nga natin, energy cannot be created nor destroyed, pero pwede natin i-transform sa isa pa. Okay, so we have 0.5 times the mass. Ano yung mass? 0.8 times the velocity. Ilan? Okay, with 5 meter per second times 5. Ang total natin is 10 joules. Okay, tatimes nyo lang lahat sa direction. Okay, na. Ano ba? May nakikita ba tayo ngayon today dito sa classroom na may kinetic energy?
meron daw tayo.
And let us be specific. So let's say, Cyrus. Ano yung tatlong factor na nakaka-apekto sa potential energy? Okay. And how about when it comes to our kinetic energy? Ano yung nakaka-apekto sa ating kinetic? Greg. Kung kanina sa potential, mass, gravity, and height, how about the kinetic energy? Okay, mass and velocity. Okay, naging nalilito ako kasi si Rick nga pala yan, tapos si Greg dun sa... Hi, Greg. Okay. So, is everything clear? Do you have any question?
No.
Clear na tayo sa pagkakaiba ng energy. So, ano ulit ang unit ng energy? Joules. Okay. So now, on your notebook, get your science notebook, write 1 to 5. Okay, ready na? Okay, write true if the statement is correct.